First Lady Harmonic. Haven't been in a while. Been doing some personal things on vacation, things of that nature. But just wanted to come back on the charts real quick, take a look at some pairs. Open my computer up, and I'm looking at AutoCAD right now. Always want to start from a higher time frame, weekly, monthly. I use the quarters theory as for my support and resistance, as you can see. My blue is my quarter points, my black are my major quarter points, and you can see that price respects them. What I love the most about the quarters theory is that once you plot them on your screen, on your chart, your support and resistance has basically been plotted forever. You don't have to worry about plotting any more support and resistance. So this is the method in which I like to use support and resistance. So looking at this Australian dollar monthly chart, we are currently, this is the ninth, so beginning of the month, we are below the 200 EMA, still going bearish. So for the rest of the month, I do predict that this pair will be falling down at least to the quarter point of 9,500. Drop up to the weekly time frame. Again, still showing very bearish momentum. Do I happen to see a harmonic here? Let's see. Some possibilities here. I actually do see one here, but let's go down to a time frame in which we actually can trade on. Not saying you can't trade on a weekly, but a daily, a 4 hour, and so forth is a little bit more common for most folks. And so, looking at this from a daily perspective, I have my major quarter point. We have a quarter point coming up into view. I do see a harmonic here. Looks like it's going to be a bullish shark, a relative low to the relative high here. We have a X to A to B at 50%. The C is a 414, barely missing at 618, but very close to the quarter point, as you can see. Coming down, has breached the 886. I'm looking for a breach of the X right here. And we're looking for a 113. We need a confluence factor, Fibonacci confluence factor, so we're going to look for an ABA, BA, right onto the fib, B, A, 224, whoa, 224, and a 113 line up perfectly. This is a very strong level of support. So once price gets here, I'm definitely going to be looking for some type of price action. I'm looking for price to even maybe hopefully touch the 9,500. So I'm going to watch this very, very closely. And so what I'm looking at, this harmonic pattern should look like this. Guys, want to apologize if it's a little noisy here. I'm in Starbucks. This is what I like to do my charting. And right down here is what this pair looks like. So I'm waiting for price to come back into this area here, as said before. So right now, this looks like a bullish shark. We are currently sitting at support. I'm looking for X to break. Once X to break validates this extension pattern, and then hopefully we'll have a bullish run to take profit levels. Take profit will be from C to D. So we'll see. Wrong tool. Fibonacci. C to D. We want to make sure it comes right down even. And I'm looking at a 382 or 618. Right around here, and this 382 is also in structure. 618 also is in a place of structure. So we're going to watch carefully to see just exactly what price does when it gets to this area. Keep it simple. As you can see, I have my quarter points, my support and resistance. Whenever there is a D point close to a quarter point, that's a confirmation. We have two Fibonacci clusters here. That's a second confirmation as well. We have the X being broken. Once it breaks, that's a third confirmation. We have the 382 sitting at structure, and we have a 618 also at a structural point. Once we get down to this area here, I'm going to start looking for some type of price action, most likely a double bottom, and then a rise up. This is a daily pattern, so anytime this week, this could hit and then start to form some type of pattern. We're going to watch either a double bottom or either some type of triangle in this area. And we're using the candlestick analysis, which I can go on with you guys later on. Is how I do my price action. We can make some pips. Remember, the higher the time frame, the stronger the trend, the better your harmonic is in reference to completing if it's charted out properly. So again, if you have any questions, First Lady Harmonic, you may call. Thanks for listening.